I launched a new book last weekend. It's my
Yeah.
second, even though it's a murder puzzle book. It has
Hmm.
a short novel murder mystery attached to it, tapping into
Okay.
like my previous career. There's a really big seller in this niche right now who's like killing it, and it's kind of
Yeah.
in that same format. So it's got great potential. The issue
Hmm.
was really hard to format. And so when I launched it, immediately my first review and my only review so far was a 1-star review. Crushed. It all she commented on was the formatting.
Hmm.
Like, so this weekend I spent all weekend fixing it. So I
Cool.
fixed it, I republished it, it's live, so it's all fixed.
Hmm.
So now I need to combat the 1-star review. And then also, because I reformatted it, it increased the pages like by
Hmm.
40. So now I
Oh wow.
am about 75 pages higher than
Yeah.
the seller, the other books in the market. So I need to, my profit is going to be less, like
Hmm.
a lot less.
Hmm.
So just kind of figuring that out
Hmm.
going forward, because it's something that is going to be a series.
Yeah. So how many reviews are on it?
Just one. It's the only review.
Okay,
So
cool.
I'm sitting at
So
1 star right now.
you could just kill that one and then just publish it as a new book now, because you've
Okay.
reformatted it, so that review's not even relevant anymore. So I would just
Okay.
unpublish it and then publish it as a brand new book, so new ISBN and everything. Just do
Okay.
that, because then
Okay.
you get a
And
fresh
it's
start.
early enough
Yeah.
to do that. So
So,
okay, I'll do that.
okay, so do that, and then, yeah, like it's longer, so you're gonna have to bump up the price a little higher in order
Yeah,
to
and I
stay
think with
competitive.
the next book, I'll just change. So it's a like a murder puzzle book where you have suspect
Hmm.
names and it has a word list. So I think I've got some ideas how to like cut that word list in half without changing the enjoyability of the book.
Right.
So I'll do that in the next book.